the plastic part that I sent you. Open it up. You take the gear out. And of course, this is modified. Has a little flat at the end. So you put the gear in with the teats going in. A little tricky to do this. And you push it in. So, you see, so that's it. Push it as hard as you can. And that's it, you go backwards now. Put everything back on. And then you're good to go. Sorry, I keep falling apart. Put the 4 screws back on. And remember, that one at the far left has the plastic screw. When you pick up your assembly with the new gear, you bring it back. And there are multiple ways of putting these. This is probably the easiest way for you guys. See these 2 nipples? You put them back in here. And you push down, it should fall in. Okay? Make sure it doesn't drop if one side is in. We don't want to bend anything. Then you get your short little fat screws that you brought out. Flip this back up. You flap this down. And you gotta look inside, you'll see them. And then put that connector in. And that's it. You should be good to go. Alright? No charge.